Welcome back, everyone. Okay, let's get some more work done on this ship. Now we're ready for the final step here. Looks good. Okay. So I'm gonna do all the top here first, get all the decals in place there, and then go on from there. So I'm gonna work on the decals that go on the sides here. Top up here and back here. Probably didn't need to paint those, but and I'm going to get the lifeboat hatches here. And just keep going until the whole thing is done top and bottom. There we go. Looks not too bad. Okay, got those all on there. Looks not too bad. All the 5 little decals on there. Looks really good. Okay. Not bad at all. Okay. Not too bad, not too bad. So with all the decals in place, the very last thing they need to do is put the name and registry right on here. And that completes this model. Well, mostly. Pretty close to the big one there. That's not too bad. Looks good. So I have to let these decals set. Then I'll put a dull coat on the whole thing, sealing everything in. And that'll complete that. But for right now, let's get the wiring finished for the stand. You can see I still got a few things here to hook up. So that's no big deal. There we go. Hooked in here to the positive pole here, up to the switch. And then the positive from the model goes to the other pin on the switch. The negative from the model goes to the negative here on this pole. And we're done. Well, everyone, that is it for this build. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, comment, don't forget to share, and click that notification bell for any future uploads. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.